Davido has always been a target. I don't know why most of Nigerians don't like Davido. They like attacking Davido. Maybe it's the fact that Davido is maybe from a rich family. Davido is right. Wande Coal is right. No, the Davido is disrespectful. I want you to look at it this way. Is this about who came first in the industry or about the brand? Davido is a brand. Davido is a business himself. Wande Coal, on the other hand, is another brand and a business. Now, Davido has the right to choose. Davido has the right to choose what he wants. I don't want to be on a remix with you. I only want to be on a single as we arrange. Period. What is bad? What is wrong with that? You know, there's always one thing that I always ask about this Nigerian industry. Now, everything where they take use do cruise. Small thing trending, small thing problem. You know, the Nigerian industry, the Nigerian audience and the Nigerian fan base love backs goals, giving back-to-back problem. This time around is Wande Coal with Davido, and to me, I see like this is not a big deal. Davido was in an interview. He said his man.
I didn't even say nothing bad. I just said, that I didn't record the song as a remix, and you wanted to drop it as a remix, so I was like, no, I don't want us to do that. But if you listen to the interview, I was in like, but it would have been nice. That's how I ended it.
Was he wrong for saying he's mad? Like, people are just coming up to say Davido did this, Davido disrespected this. To me, I see nothing there. Like, Davido wasn't wrong. Nothing was wrong there because Davido is an OG. Wande Coal an OG. Yeah, Wande Coal is a better OG than Davido. But waiting there. Let's talk about who have done more to the Afrobeat industry. You know, normally, Davido has always been a target. I don't know why most of Nigerians don't like Davido. They like attacking Davido. Maybe it's the fact that Davido is maybe from a rich family. To me, I feel it can be that because, you know, normally poor people don't like rich people for some reasons. So I think that's one of the reasons why Davido is always under attack. He even said it himself. Davido is always under attack. People always want to come at Davido. I don't know for what reason. If you look around the clips that has been going around about Davido and Wande Coal, there is one thing that got my attention. Davido was like, Wande Coal came up first. Wande Coal reached out first. For some reasons, if I reach out to you, this is business. If I reach out to you, I have the right to tell you what I want, and you have the right to tell me what you want. But what people don't really consider here is that there is an agreement there. Put yourself in Davido's shoe. If you're a star artist and then somebody reach out to you that, okay, we want to sing, I want us to work on a song together. It doesn't matter who reach out to you. Maybe he's an OG or whatever. Then you people arrange that this song is going to be a single. And then we recorded the song. When you listen to the song, he now came back and tell you that, okay, I have an original version. I'm going to release that as a single. Then we remix the one we have together as a remix. I want you to reason that way. At some point, you might feel like, oh, is it that my verse is not strong enough? Or is it that, okay, you want me to be a subordinate, like I helped you on your song? Or it's more of like you are belittling me, I cannot be on the original version with you. I want people to see it from the arrangement point of view. They had an agreement. And this is business. It has to do with a lot of things. The management is involved, the marketing is involved, the promotion team. There is a whole lot of process involved in just one song. And maybe Davido felt like, okay, you can't just come up and then not consider our own proposal, or maybe like, okay, maybe I'm too big for that, or you reach out to me, you can't just be treating me like that. If we are not going to make this a single, it's no problem. Just listen to what Davido said. There's no wrong in that. Nothing wrong with that. It's just straight to the point. That is business decision, and then people are taking it personal. Now, another big problem that I see people posting and talking about a lot of people are Davido is right, Wande Coal is right. No, the Davido is disrespectful. I want you to look at it this way. Is this about who came first in the industry or about the brand? Davido is a brand. Davido is a business himself. Wande Coal, on the other hand, is another brand and a business. Now, Davido just spoke about what happened, and people are now trying to refer it to him being disrespectful, that Wande Coal has been in the game before him, so Wande Coal owe him respect. Like, does that mean if you came out from nowhere and you just blew up first, and then somebody came out from nowhere again and the person blew up after you or before you, sorry, that makes you automatically respect that person? I don't think it's in any way. If, in fact, in the Afrobeat industry, if there is anybody who can do whatever he wants at any time he wants and the way he or she wants, it's only Davido. Because you all know this guy blew up with nobody's hands up, like no hands down, no cosign. He just came out and made it. So why is it that everybody just be like, small thing is just like Davido this, Davido that? But anyway, I say a big thumbs up because Davido is the trend of the season. This guy is always on topic. From his uncle's case last week, like, man, how do this guy even do this? Like, always on topic. Like, every week Davido must be a talk on the internet. I think that is one good quality of being an artist. At this point, Davido has finished everything he's about to do. He wants to do in the industry. He's just having fun, man. And to him, all these things are just okay. People are not even seeing the fact that Wande Coal started it. He is the adult, he is the oldest, and he is the eldest. But he started the fight. He first posted Davido. So why are you people coming up at Davido that, okay, he should have respected? Why? Wande Coal didn't respect himself. So how do you expect this young dude to do? You know, the generation matters. This generation is a back-to-back zone. People just give back-to-back, and then anything that comes up now, wuto. That's why I love Davido. Davido, give him anything, give him back to back. No hold anything. Whether now your uncle or auntie be, if anybody attack you, fire him. That is just it. Irrespective of whatever that is in between them, like the business comes first, and then they make decision. One thing you people should understand is that Davido has the right to choose. Davido has the right to choose what he wants. I don't want to be on a remix with you. I only want to be on a single as we arrange. Period. What is bad? What is wrong with that? That Wande Coal have find that piecing. To me, I see nothing wrong in that. Fine, we're not releasing it. Fine, let's release it at the single first. It's okay. But why must you want to release the single that you didn't inform me first before we release our own track when we arrange that the song is going to be single? That is what people should think about. And the hell with everything they're saying online. After all, it's been a while that people talk about Wande Coal, but boom, from nowhere, because of Davido, people begin to talk about Wande Coal. So I think this is even favorable to Wande Coal, at this point. An OG who has been long gone is now coming back to be on topic because of Davido. Click it. I think that is a very good PR for Wande Coal, because maybe a lot of people will go back to, listen to his back catalog, and then maybe he's going to get some revenue out of that. Kudos to Wande Coal, kudos to Davido, much respect. Maybe this is just having cruise or just having fun. They're just cruising online, just the usual. Maybe it's a big problem. Everybody have what they might think. But at this point, I strongly say Davido, irrespective of being the younger one or the Wande Coal being the older one, everybody have their right to choose, because this is business. Everyone is protecting their brand, and I see nothing wrong in what Davido said. What do you think? What do you feel like? Do you feel like it's okay for Davido to say that? Do you feel like it's not? Anyhow you feel, I want to know in the comment below. Subscribe, and then I see you in the next video. It's YolyBoy right here. Peace.